Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a super practical way you can earn some extra cash, all from the comfort of your own home. So, let's get right into it.
So let me just start with a big question. What if, and just think about this, what if you could earn up to 40,000 rupees every single month with just your laptop and an internet connection? I know, it sounds a little too good to be true, right? Well, it's actually happening, and we're going to break down exactly how.
Now, you're probably wondering, okay, but is this actually for me? And you know what? The answer is almost certainly yes. This thing is designed for pretty much everyone, whether you're a student trying to make some extra cash, someone looking for a job, or even if you already have a full-time gig. Heck, even if you're deep in exam prep, this whole model is built to be flexible enough to fit right into your life.
Okay, so we've talked about the potential, which is pretty exciting. But what is this new kind of gig? Well, let's pull back the curtain and introduce the platform that's making this all possible.
The platform you need to know is called Appen. That's the name at the center of all of this. And over the next few minutes, we're going to explore not just what it is, but more importantly, how you can actually use it to start earning. So, what in the world is Appen? Well, at its heart, it's a really fascinating idea. You can get paid to help train artificial intelligence. Yeah, you heard that right. Let's dig into what that actually looks like. The easiest way to think about Appen is like a bridge. You've got these big companies on one side building the next wave of AI. And on the other side, you've got people like you and me. Appen connects us because those companies need our help to gather data and teach their AI models how to be smarter and more accurate.
To boil it all down, you're literally getting paid to make AI smarter. Every little task you do, every bit of data you help with, it's like you're a teacher for a growing AI system. It's a pretty cool way to think about it. You're having a direct impact on the future of tech.
Okay, a huge question is always about qualifications, right? Well, here's the great part. You don't need any specific degree. Seriously, whether you're a 12th pass, have a bachelor's, or even a master's degree, you're good to go. Your background isn't a wall keeping you out. It's actually the thing that helps Appen match you with the perfect projects for you.
All right, feeling ready to jump in? Let's get down to the practical stuff. Building your profile. Trust me, these are the most important steps to get you on the fast track to earning.
So the first part, the sign up, is an absolute breeze. Step 1, you just go to appen.com and look for the Join Our Crowd button. Step 2, set your primary language to English, and this is a pro tip, okay? Most of the higher paying projects come from global companies, and they all operate in English. So this one little choice opens up way more opportunities. And finally, step 3, set your region to India. And that's it. Your account is officially live.
Okay, I need you to lean in for this part. The next step is absolutely 100% crucial. It's where so many people go wrong and miss out on great projects. So please do not skip this. So what's the big secret? It's simple. Your profile needs to be 100% complete. You've got to take a few extra minutes to fill everything in. Your city, your education, any work experience, your phone number. Why? Because Appen's entire system uses this information to match you with projects. An incomplete profile gets you fewer matches. A complete profile? That means better projects and way more chances to earn. All right, your profile is all set up and looking good. Now for the fun part. Let's see how you actually start earning. We're going to look at how these projects work using a real example from the platform itself.
So check this out. Here's a real project they had called SMS Conversation Collection. The job? You're basically helping an AI learn how to summarize text conversations better. Each chat takes about 40 minutes, and you get paid $2 for every single one you complete. See? This makes that whole training AI idea feel a lot more real, doesn't it?
Now, let's talk about what that means in actual money. If you were to complete that entire project, which is 45 chats, you could walk away with around 7,500 rupees. And remember, that's just from one single project. You can really start to see how this all adds up. And applying for these projects is just as easy. You just scroll through the project list, and whenever you see one that looks interesting, you click apply. A little form pops up that takes like maybe 3 or 4 minutes to fill out. And the best part? You can apply for as many as you want at once. It's a numbers game, so applying to more just boosts your chances of getting picked. Okay, we've gone over all the exciting stuff. But to really do well here, it's just as important to understand the reality of it. So let's take a second to talk about what you should actually expect.
This is probably the most important thing to get straight in your head. The source material is super clear about this. Appen is not a get-rich-quick scheme.
The money is absolutely real, but you have to put in real effort. This isn't some magic button for passive income. It's you getting paid fairly for work that you actually do.
So let's just be crystal clear about what this is and what it isn't. This is a legitimate platform where you get fair pay for doing real work. It is not a promise of easy, effortless money, and it's definitely not a guaranteed salary. It's a genuine opportunity that rewards the effort you put into it. Simple as that.
So we've walked through the what, the why, and the how. The only question left is the one for you. With the flexibility it offers and the real potential to earn, could this be the side hustle you've been looking for? That's all for this explainer. Thanks for tuning in.